Well, g'day, all of you Wave legends. I hope the new financial year has started well. May your budgets be plentiful and may your deliverables be straightforward. Alrighty, so what has happened in June? So we start on orders because we have a big update that's come through with orders, specifically membership orders. You can now run refunds against membership orders. So you will note that this screen has changed a little bit recently. That's to factor in this change and then to start to pull in some even more rich information from Xero as well. So when it comes time to refund an order, visit the order page. You've got a few paths to get to this. Click the three dots and then you want to create a credit note. Follow the rest of the behavior from there. So quite simple. Yes, hopefully this will scratch a few itches that we've heard out there as well. So, yeah, enjoy that one. Otherwise, we've got a few tweaks with some of the settings. So when we visit the membership settings page, you'll notice this has compressed a little bit, just given with a number of our clients having a whole multitude of membership packages. We felt this page was starting to get a bit bulky and a bit hard to follow along with, and probably a bit too complicated. So each of these is now a concertina, so you can click to expand, and then you've got tabs within all of these as well. So all of the usual settings are still here. It's just a bit of a rejig just to make it feel a little bit nicer and simpler to use for everyone as well. So please enjoy. Talking about changes with settings, we do also have a change with regards to members. When we come into members, you would be used to scrolling all the way down to the bottom to see account access. We've now created a separate tab, which now holds all of that account access here as well. So, yeah, just a bit of a refresh just to tidy this up and make it a little bit easier to navigate for everyone of you out there. So thank you. Otherwise, this one actually came from our good friends at TPA. There was a bit of a request that when duplicating events, one challenge that they uncovered and helped share with us was that when you duplicated an event, speakers and sponsors weren't duplicated across as well. So we've now updated that. So whenever you duplicate an event, if it does have any speaker or sponsor slots, it will pull all of those details across so that you're not having to create all of those from scratch once again. So yeah, thanks TPA. Appreciate the heads up, and that one's been live for a couple of weeks now. So enjoy. Talking about events, we've also improved the link sharing of our events as well. So you'll note this little or shrunk down image with a little bit more information, sorry, pardon me, coming across when an event link is shared. It doesn't exclusively have to be in LinkedIn. I just thought I'd use LinkedIn just for the hell of it. But this will come across through SMS, text messages, any sort of social media platforms where you would be used to dropping in a link and then getting that little preview text. In technical speak, it's called rich text. I've since been educated. So now all Wave links, Wave event links now start to populate like that. Yeah, so hopefully make sharing a little bit more engaging and a bit more fun for everyone. Sandy, thanks for being my guinea pig on that one as well. He'll probably be looking at that random message, wondering what on earth is going on. And then from the cool crew over at Crop Consultants Australia, specific to member directory, their focus for member directory is exclusive peer-to-peer, so member-to-member only member directory. So what that means is, so following our update, so if we try and without being logged in, if we try and visit the community page or the member directory page, it will actually push us straight back to a login page. So as a member, you must be logged in to then view the member directory or community page. So then it's no public eyes only on this one here. So yeah, thanks CCA for that little tip. That was a good one. So nice little improvement there. Otherwise, next week, expect a further update. We're just about to roll out a bit of a refresh to the whole member portal experience. I won't name drop who has been the ones, or there's been a few, but one in particular that helped us bring that to life. They'll be name dropped in the video that will come out. So that's been recorded by Keely. So expect a follow-up email probably early to mid next week. Before that's a global change for everyone there. So few new settings for you to play with, personalize, customize, just to improve that member portal experience, and a few extra tools coming to life inside the member portal to value add to members' experience as well. So, yeah, we hope you enjoy that one as well. That's most of our update. It feels a little bit shorter, probably largely because a few of the big pieces of work that we've knocked over in June coming across into July, because, who cares about sleep? Some of those updates, the really big updates, by and large, won't affect or won't have a great impact on many of you as our current clients. A little bit has been future focused for some clients that we have coming on board, and some of the cool stuff that we've wanted to do and had been coming down the pipeline for a while. So we took the opportunity to knock a few of these over all at once. So, but anyway, without further ado, we do have a couple of new member or new client welcome. New member, there we go. I'm always talking about members. New client welcomes. So we've got the Health Consumers of New South Wales jumping on board. We also have Sports Gold Coast jumping on board, and all the way from Canada, we have the Manitoba Association of Watersheds. And if you're curious as to what a watershed is, because I can tell you what, when I started talking to them, I had no idea. I'd never even heard the word before. Watersheds, completely fascinating, a hell of a rabbit hole to go down. Lots of fun, but delighted to welcome some Canadian friends all the way from Manitoba on board with Wave as well. So that's been super exciting. Hey, I think I'm probably going to leave it there. I think I've covered all of our updates. As always, thanks along for watching along. Yes, we're even closer to some of those conferences. So end of this month, we're going to be down in Geelong for AFNC. So we'll be exhibiting. So don't be afraid to come along, steal some merch, throw around some bad dad jokes. Give us suggestions as well of stuff that we should work on and improve. All of that. Then we've got, I'm going on a solo conference trip across to Lower Hutt, just outside of Wellington, for the New Zealand Society of Association Executives Conference. So 2-day conference at the start of August. So I'll be rugging up a little bit, although it appears Canberra seems to be colder than Lower Hutt. So I'll be there for that. And then at the end of August, Sandy and myself, we don't have to travel too far. This one's in our backyard this year. We'll be along for the AusA conference as well. So the AUSAE conference at the end of August as well. And if you're coming along to that on the 28th specifically, you can come along and wish me a happy birthday, because that's my actual birthday. So, and of course, my big wish for my birthday was that I would be working a conference. Hallelujah. Cool. Anyway, fantastic. I hope you rolled your eyes at that last one there. Thanks for watching all the way through. We're up to 21 subscribers on YouTube. Absolutely stunning. I wouldn't have imagined we'd get beyond like 3 people on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Thanks for engaging. Thanks for all of the suggestions, all of the ideas, all of the great stuff. We're only in July. Holy dooly, do we have so much more stuff that's coming this month, next month, all over the months. Did people ask for CPD? They sure did, because it's coming. Anyway, keep it real, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.